Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, took a little break, but I'm back and back with good things. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. Those are always exciting and those are always fun. Today I will be unboxing the new HP Envy. Yay! So today I will be unboxing the new laptop that actually came out today. And it's an HP and it has the new processor, which is the new Ryzen 5000 mobile processor. So let's get on with this. All right. So obviously in an unboxing video, we all need a knife. I came prepared this time. Alrighty. Alright. So this is what it looks like inside the box when you open it. Okay, let's pull this puppy out. And let's just start with the little boxes. So of course, comes with its charger. Normal black cable. Nothing special. Okay. So let's close the big box. Put this on top. So here it is. Let's zoom in so you guys can see that. Here it is. Cool. Alright. Let's take off the tape. I can't be the only one who finds this part very satisfying. We all enjoy this part. Cool. Oh, let me show you guys what it looks like without the wrapping. I think the HP sign is pretty cute. But that could just be me. Oh, how cute. And it says Envy right here. Don't know if you guys can see it. So, the keyboard may look black to you guys, but it's not. I would say it's like a charcoal mixed with purple. Yeah. And then screen protector, and then here it is. Here it is, everyone. So excited. Alright, so it clearly says AMD, and it says Ryzen 5. So, yeah, like I said before, this is the new Ryzen 5. This laptop comes with the 5500U processor. So, let's turn this on. Turn this on. So, it's turning on. Sure. Yay! Oh, here it is. Alright guys, well that's the end for today's video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing this laptop with me. Comment below if you have any questions that I can answer for you about it.